So this is what the Galaxy A42 looks like. This is the selfie cam. Yes, the selfie cam. So a lot of people like to say, you know, it's all about your camera. This phone is old. I've had this phone for a while and it's definitely affordable. I would recommend this phone if you're looking for something to have on the side, like a work phone or something like that. Me, I'm simple, so I'm satisfied with this one. They say the front camera looks better than the selfie camera. This is what you're looking at right now from the Samsung A42. And this is the speed of the Samsung A42. Again, people say you're gonna get a slow phone if it's old. It's not true. Look at that. Seconds, what I want pops up. You know, this is a good phone, affordable phone. Make sure you guys check it out if you're looking for something that's low cost, low budget. You don't have to break the bank.